lot of rainfall creating a devastating wash of water. Floods have ravaged the Sylhet region of Bangladesh, leaving hundreds of thousands displaced and seeking shelter, and at least 84 dead, with many missing so far. So great are the floods that they have left around 90% of the Sunamganj district underwater. The waters washed away the lives, livelihoods and safety of the people. Many residents have been reluctant to leave their homes to flee to safety, taking to residing on the roofs of what buildings were still standing. Some only moving when they were forced to by the rising waters and adverse weather, having to leave their entire lives behind. Al Khair Foundation's Bangladesh team is already on the ground providing aid where they can, in otherwise extenuating circumstances. For example, there are 56 government shelter homes currently accommodating over 1,000 people. We have already distributed over 300 cooked meals in this location and aim to continue doing so. 200 dry food packs have also been distributed, which include items such as rice, water purification tablets, biscuits, and more. Al Khair Foundation is launching the £1 million appeal so that we can continue to provide emergency aid, continue to rescue, continue to give shelter and support, and continue our reconstruction projects. Our plan is to distribute a further 2,000 food packs amongst those affected, with the Al Khair Foundation Bangladesh team currently travelling to one of the most severely affected neighbourhoods in the region, Chatak. The northern part of the country is now also at risk of flood, for which we are already planning and preparing to execute a quick, efficient and early response and rescue. This £1 million will go towards emergency food packs at £50 a unit, hygiene and non-food items at £30 a unit, medical support at £100 per individual aided, and shelter and tents at £150 each. With your help, all this can be achieved and more. With your care and compassion, not only will we dry the tears from this ongoing disaster, we will be able to help those who would suffer from the next. So please donate with generosity and confidence by calling 03000 999 786 or visit alkhair.org.